Here's an excellent technique to help you reduce emotional overwhelm and upset. It's called the havening technique, as in a safe haven, and was developed by my dear friend, Dr. Ronald Rudin. Patterns of repeated touch of parts of the body combined with visualizations can have a rapid, reliable, and predictable effect upon our feelings. The patterns of touch used in havening are what enable a mother to comfort her baby and are hardwired into all of us. Havening combines these deep-rooted patterns of reassurance with sequences to break down the associations that trigger unhappy or uncomfortable feelings. Now, as a result, in a matter of minutes, we can now reduce the intensity of an emotional feeling of unhappiness and establish calm. In addition, certain brain waves are associated with different functions in our lives. Beta waves are associated with being alert and being anxious. Alpha waves represent a state of relaxed alertness. One wave, though, is synonymous with deep relaxation, the holy grail we're all after in terms of therapy and healing, and that is the delta wave. You get delta waves when you're deeply asleep, deeply relaxed, or when you're doing havening. Delta waves help to reconfigure traumatic or upsetting feelings so that when you think about that upsetting thing, you flood your brain with delta waves, and the havening sequence reverses the effect biologically on the brain. So let's do the havening technique now. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to put your right hand on your left shoulder and your left hand on your right shoulder. Close your eyes and get in touch with the overwhelming feeling, the feeling of upset. Whatever it is, begin stroking the side of your arms from the top of your shoulder down to your elbow. And keep doing this process. If it's safe to do so, close your eyes. And when you've got that feeling as strong as it can be, clear your mind. Clear your mind completely and imagine you're walking with me on a beach. And with each footstep that you take in the sand, count out loud from 1 to 20 with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep stroking the side of your arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Still stroking the side of your arms. I'd like you to remember a time you felt really good, a really happy time, and return to it now like you're back there again. See what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt, still stroking the side of your arms. Make the colors rich and bright and bold, and the sounds loud, and notice how good you feel. And notice where you feel the good feelings strongest in your body, and give those feelings a color, any color you like. And move that color up through your body into your neck and head. Move that color down through your shoulders into your arms and hands and fingers. Move it down through your chest into your stomach and legs until you're bathed in this lovely color. And then I'd like you to imagine you're walking in a garden. With each footstep that you take in the grass, still stroking the side of your arms, count out loud from 1 to 20, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now stop stroking the side of your arms, keep your eyes closed and put your arms out in front of you with your palms facing up. And I'd like you to put any of that uncomfortable feeling in one of your hands, please. Any that's left. And in the other hand, I'd like you to put peace, calm, comfort. And then I'd like you to move your attention above your head. So you're thinking from a few inches above your head. That's it. And then I'd like you to experience those two emotional states down there at the same time. So the uncomfortable feeling and the peace. The uncomfortable feeling and the calm. The uncomfortable feeling and the comfort. And let that uncomfortable feeling reintegrate into the ecosystem of your emotions. When you're ready, open your eyes, come on back out, feeling much better.